Today's industries face growing challenges, inefficient cleaning, safety risks, and delays in material movement. Traditional methods are no longer sufficient. At Vijay Engineering and Machinery Company, powered by Cosmic Healers India Private Limited, we deliver intelligent, integrated solutions. From smart cleaning systems to surveillance vehicles and Tugger-based material handling, our solutions enhance efficiency, improve safety, and ensure seamless operations. These solutions can also serve as potential products for CSR initiatives, supporting cleaner, safer, and more sustainable environments. Maintaining cleanliness across cities is a growing challenge. Manual litter collection reaches around 6,000 per day, but Gobbler delivers up to 72,000 collections daily. Gobbler, NABL and CE certified, an India-made, battery-operated litter picker with powerful suction and advanced PM10 filtration, ensuring fast, powerful, and dust-free cleaning. Available in walk-along and ride-on models, ideal for industries, smart cities, hospitals, campuses, and public spaces, delivering faster and sustainable cleaning. Swipi 105, small size, big impact. With a wide sweeping path, tight turning radius, and battery-powered zero-emission operation, it delivers fast, eco-friendly cleaning for roads, campuses, and industrial space.
Experience Swipi 360, the smart electric ride-on sweeper for modern cities. Compact, silent, and powerful, it delivers dual sweeping and suction with optional water jet dust control. Perfect for hospitals, campuses, parks, and industrial estates.
Swipi 2000 is an electric sweeping machine built for efficient large area cleaning. High-performance brushes sweep dust and debris from the road, while powerful suction and controlled water spray ensure effective dust suppression. It is ideal for roads, campuses, industrial areas, and public spaces. A dependable battery system supports long operating hours, and collected waste is quickly discharged through a 2,000-liter high-dump stainless steel bin.
Meet Moppy, the electric mopping scooter, built for effortless and smart cleaning. It comes with 3 replacement attachments. The dry mop sweeps dust, the brush removes litter, and the wiper covers large areas in a smooth swipe. Its automatic actuator movement is controlled via a switch, runs 6-8 hours, and charges fully in 3-4 hours, always ready for smart spaces.
Leafy 200 walk-behind leaf collector makes outdoor cleaning easy, with strong power, wide cleaning coverage, a large waste bag for longer work, fine dust filtering for cleaner air, and an extension pipe to reach difficult areas, perfect for parks, campuses, roads, and gardens.
Eco Sweep, friendly to the environment, the smallest and smartest electric sweeper, portable, battery-operated, with powerful cleaning performance, perfect for homes, offices, and industrial spaces.
Introducing Tugger, the game changer in industrial towing. Perfect for industries and warehouses to move heavy materials effortlessly. Fast 4-hour charge, up to 5-hour non-stop runtime. Pulls up to 2,500 kilograms, with zero strain. Ergonomic, safe, and super easy to handle. 100% electric, zero emission, low maintenance, built for a greener tomorrow. Chariot, a battery-operated smart mobility solution for fast patrolling in transit. Compact, efficient, and eco-friendly, it ensures safe, silent, and high-performance movement across campuses and industrial spaces. For inquiries, contact Vijay Engineering and Machinery Company.